In this video, I am going to show you how to watch live football on YouTube TV in the USA. If you're a football fan looking for an easy and reliable way to stream games, this guide will walk you through the process. Let's get started. Watching live football on YouTube TV in the USA is simple and convenient. Start by signing up for a YouTube TV subscription at tv.youtube.com if you don't already have one. Once your account is active, download the YouTube TV app on your preferred device, such as a smart TV, phone, tablet, or streaming device like Roku or Fire Stick. Log into the app and browse the channel lineup to find the game you want to watch. Live football games are typically broadcast on popular networks like ESPN, Fox, CBS, or NBC, all of which are included in YouTube TV's package. Simply select the channel or game to start streaming instantly. You can also use the Cloud DVR feature to record games and watch them later at your convenience. If this video helped you learn how to watch live football on YouTube TV in the USA, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.